Foundation's Hame Virtues e-platform. It's a great pleasure. I am Vijayam Ravi, representing or coming rather from the integral cultural capital of Mumbai. If you want to see the glimpse of India, you can look at the culture of Mumbai. Mumbai represents everyone. The entire country is available in Mumbai. Namaskar, Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, Kemcho, Jai Shri Krishna, Vanakkam, Vandanam, good evening, all, Assalamu Alaikum, and what not. You can hear everything in Mumbai. You have also seen the resilience of Mumbai, and that is part of the culture of Mumbai. Whether it be a terrorist attack, whether it be a flood, whether it be any external calamity or internal riots, whatever it is, the country, the state, the district, the Mumbai part, city bounces back with resilience. And that is the culture of Shayad, the entire part of India. And I belong to Mumbai, and thank you very much. And Jesus Christ came into this world with the lesson of love, pure, unconditional love combined with service, a lesson of forgiving people. We have to teach our children all that. Let me conclude with a story. There was a big corporate, and that corporate was celebrating a Christmas Eve party. It has a culture of conducting a party, and two things were going on. One was a party, another is a lottery. And there were 300 people, employees. So each person has to contribute about $10. So 300 into 10 will become $3,000 was the thing. And every 300 person has to write their name, put it into the lottery. Somebody will pick up at the end of the party, and that person will be getting the $3,000. So everybody was writing down name and putting into it. Then what happened was, at the end of it, one young man was very concerned. He was he remembered suddenly about the cleaning auntie, the auntie who cleans their toilets. She was going through a lot of difficulties with problem with her son. So health of her son was failing. She wanted to help her son, but she was not having the funds. So instead of writing his name, he wrote Aunt Clean and then put it into the lottery. And as fate would have it, luckily, or it could be called as the miracle of Christmas, the person who picked up was this one, Aunt Clean. So $3,000 this auntie got. She was called onto the stage. She was given the award. She was very happy about it. She said, I'm extremely happy. Thank you. This will help my son's treatment. She went away. But this young man was so curious to know what might have happened. He went slowly to the lottery basket and opened up one by one. And everyone had written Aunt Clean. That was the culture of the organization. Everyone wanted to help the aunt. The love. Love is the message of Christmas. Love is the message of any culture. And let us embrace that. As schools, you have to teach your children the culture of adaptability, culture of change, the culture of learning, culture of permissible behavior patterns, culture of tolerance, and culture of universal love and brotherhood. And you have a great responsibility, my very dear teachers and principals. You now go to your classes, teach them subjects, teach them values, touch their lives. Thank you. God bless you. Namaste, Namaskar, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Kemcho, Jai Shri Krishna. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, Anita ji. And कि अभी जैसे विजयम जी ने भी कितनी अच्छी बातें बताई हैं, और आप सभी ने बोला कि वैल्यूज़ के लेकर हम इसको टेक्नोलॉजी में जब बात करते हैं तो हम कहते हैं वी आर लिविंग इन ए वुका वर्ल्ड, VUCA, वुका वर्ल्ड. सो V stands for volatile. और मे बी अभी क्रिसमस आ रहा है, मैरी क्रिसमस टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सो यू विल गो टू द मार्केट, दिवाली के अंदर या शॉपिंग मॉल के अंदर आप जाएं, वो अंदर से एक लालच जागता है, हाँ ये भी ले लो, ये भी ले लो, ये भी खरीद लो, ये भी खरीद लो, which you do not require it. So those kind of things. So here means this is not bad, but we need to control it, we need to reduce it. Means watching TV is not a bad thing, playing games is not a bad thing, but उसका proportion कितना, how much time we are spending into it, we need to understand that. So we need to understand it that sometimes the procrastination we say, हाँ ठीक है कर लेंगे, जल्दी कर लेंगे. Believe you me that वो कभी नहीं आने वाला है, वो अभी होगा तो होगा, नहीं तो नहीं होगा. So with these few words, I hope that these things they are important and urgent for you. I express my thank.
It is a great pleasure to be listening, Madam. The thing is that I will totally agree with Dr. Ramesh sir has said and Vijaya Madam has said, integrating the content textbook, Rajiv Gandhi with 10 core elements, imbibing in the textbook. And it has really, I oriented the B.Ed class students, teachers, and they are practicing in the school and all. So thing is that education is not only scoring marks, understand, but understanding your individuality or apna khud ka, and there are so many things, a self-awareness program, who am I program, and there are emotional integration, other things, all these things are there on the internet. So these kind of tests students can do. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity.